Just search Shami Cortez. This one. Oh my gosh, oh, di makita. This one. That's my Instagram ID, darling. Every time I see you. No render seeing, can't see. You have to separate the Sha and me, and then Cortez. 3 words, and then you can find me there, baby. Hi, you need what or dollars? I want dollars. How much you gonna give? $500? $200? $100? Just kidding. Mabash na naman tayo dyan. Kulit mo, ang gulo mo. Binigay ko na nga yung Instagram ko eh. Every time I see you. Wait. I'm Renan Sari. Hello. I love you for. Thank you, my friend Kanal Vivindo, for staying there. Online business ideas. How are you? I'm good, darling. How are you? Thank you for asking. Thank you for visiting my live. Guys, give me like. Porque na pode ficar numero na live. I don't know. What's the meaning of this? Libak na siguro ko nimo. What is the meaning of that, my friend? Did you say I'm pretty? Or did you say me fine and you? Oh my goodness. And every time I see you, when I close my eyes. Porque número 4, 18, 20. Hi, how are you? I'm good. Bihos. What is this bihos? What's the meaning of this? Kawawa naman yung channel ko. Nabagsak naman ito. Tapos yung subscriber ko hindi na nataas. I feel so lazy kasi lately. Wala na akong update. Kaloka kayo. Every time I